In a tragic turn of events, the Salt Lake City protests turned deadly as celebrated fashion designer Arthur Falasa Alou was shot during the No Kings demonstration. What began as a gathering for peace quickly spiraled into chaos, with questions now arising about the role of volunteer peacekeepers at the event. As police launched an investigation, it was revealed that these so-called peacekeepers, donning bright neon green vests and openly carrying firearms, may have inadvertently contributed to the chaos. Witnesses described a moment of tension when Arturo Gamboa, armed with an Arkansas 15-style rifle, advanced towards the crowd, prompting alarms from peacekeepers. In a desperate attempt to neutralize the threat, one peacekeeper fired 3 shots, tragically hitting Alou instead. Though Gamboa has been arrested for investigation of murder, investigators are grappling with the question of accountability. Event organizers from the 50,501 movement have condemned the violence, reiterating their commitment to nonviolence and firearm prohibition at their demonstrations. As voices of sorrow and outrage emerge, one question looms: how can communities ensure safety without sacrificing their ideals? Stay tuned as the story unfolds, revealing untold layers of this heartbreaking incident.